Hey, why am I here?
Oh, you're here because a gentleman asked me to teach how to lip sync Synty Sidekick Character.
Okay. Let's see how I was lip synced. This should be interesting.
First, we need to download the Synty Sidekick Character free starter pack. You can download it from the official Synty website or from Unity Asset Store and import it into your project. Wait until the download and import process is finished. From the top menu, go to Synty Sidekick Character Tool. A new game object with a random character will appear. Using the options available in the Character Tool, you can change different parts of the character. When you are satisfied with the result, export it as a prefab. Then delete the previous character and add the saved prefab back into the scene. If you click on the character's mesh, you'll see that it already has blend shapes, so there is no need to use Blender. For lip syncing, search uLipSync Unity on Google and open the first website. Download the package from there. You also need to open Unity Package Manager and install Burst and Mathematics. After that, import the uLipSync package you downloaded from GitHub. Now select your character and go to Add Component, uLipSync Blend Shape. Create another empty game object and add the uLipSync script to it. Also, add an audio source component. In the script's onClick event, assign the previous game object that has the uLipSync blend shape script and select onLipSync update. For the profile, I select the female one. Now we go back to the first game object and select the skin mesh renderer, which is one containing the blend shapes. Because this plugin has a bug, you need to temporarily duplicate the mesh game object and then delete the duplicated one. In the blend shape list, click on plus. First, you must write the vowels exactly as required using the same names shown in the plugin. Now go to Mesh Game Object and check which blend shape sliders visually match those vowels. This part is done by visual guessing. For example, mouth funnel looks like pronouncing the letter O. So we assign O to that. Mouth pucker looks like pronouncing U. Mouth roll out matches E. Jaw opening is used for A. If the mouth opens too much, you can adjust the maximum weight sliders. Now everything is ready. Assign an audio clip to the audio source. And then play the game.
Oh boy, here I am, lip syncing like a pro, totally knowing what's going on. It's definitely not like I'm just winging it and hoping for the best. Not at all like that.
Good. There are also pre-made face animations inside the Synty folder. Let's create a cutscene and use some of them. For example, a sad face animation.
Hey, why am I here?
I also combine multiple facial animations together.
Okay. Let's see how I was lip synced. This should be interesting.